you're looking for lights, flush mount to the ceiling, placed anywhere imaginable, I'm going to show you what this product is about. From CREATESTAR, this is CRI80, flush mount light, remote control, flicker free. Now we're going to show you the different kelvins hooked up, 3000, 4500, 6000. It has a built-in timer and a memory. So let's show you what you get inside. Your 12-inch flush mount frosted plastic light. It's wired, neutral and load, with your hanging bracket and screws and wire nuts. You have a remote control, optional 2 AAA batteries, on and off, a 5-button joystick, a brightness and dim, a night light, a timer, on and off. Everything you need to know is in the manual. Locate your boxes you're hanging with and start to hang up your bracket. Connect your load and leads, tuck in, and rotate to lock down. Place in your AAA batteries. When you turn your lights on for the first time, they light up. With the remote control, you have your off and on. If you hit the up on the 5D joystick buttons or down, you increase and decrease your brightness levels. We're going to shut the outer lights off, and we're going to change the kelvins to a warm, to a cool. We're going to press the buttons below the 5D joystick. As you can see, the difference in lighting in increments. And we're going to put it on reading mode or night mode. And we're going to put it on a scheduled timer mode. And we're going to press the center 5D back to the normal. So if you're looking for a CR80 30-watt flush mount for low-profile ceilings, bathrooms, laundry rooms, living rooms, dining rooms, anywhere in the studio, this light may be something that you are looking for. I hope you enjoy your lighting needs. Remote control, nice and bright for your needs. Lights up all around, flush to the ceiling, and can be shut off by remote control or wall switch. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.